today. Okay, there we go. So this is our business. All right, this is the business we are conducting. We are conducting a trading business. We are doing some trading business, right? Okay, so today we are starting with our usual starting point is always, sometimes it's a USD Swiss francs. If you remember yesterday, we started with that same pair. Day before that, we started with the same pair. Okay, that's interesting. Interesting to note that, actually. Yeah, you keep on catching. You want to catch me, yeah? Yeah, Terence, I'm good. Thank you so much. I got my eyes everywhere. Okay, I could see what's going on in Syria, in Australia. Jeez. All right. So this is USD Swiss francs 5 minutes. So this is 5 minute chart. Some people have asked me numerous times, are we dealing with time frame? Okay. So yes and no. Okay. Number one, yes, is because we are putting this box on 5 minutes time frame. So that's yes. No is because there is no indicator that you are using to say, oh, this is a long term time frame, this is a short time frame, this is medium time frame. There's no indicator, nothing. It's just this box, the box and your eye. That's all. The box and your eye, two pair of eye. No, one pair, because I got two pairs of eye. One is the natural one that I have, the one pair, and I got another glasses which make it two pairs. So all I'm going to work with is the box and my two pairs of eye. That's all. That's all there is to it. Good stuff. All right, good. So today we're going to look into the box. Okay, so that is a box that has been drawn for us. You know how the box work. Okay, let me quickly explain that. The box is 1 hour. Okay, so if you put it on 5 minutes, you could see that it's a 1 hour box and it's drawn between, let me use the UK time, okay, because it's been confusing. Sometimes people are confusing about the time. Okay, UK time is 7 to 8 a.m. UK time. Okay, right. So but you can see that even though now in UK I'm 9 p.m, this my broker is 2 hours ahead of me. So this broker is 11 p.m, just like Syria right now. Okay, so because it's 2 hours ahead of me, this time, instead of me saying it is 7 to 8, I will say it is 9 to 10, 2 hours ahead, right? So 9 to 10. So that's why you will see my indicator here. If you look at my indicator there, it's called session. Okay, my indicator here will say between the hours of 9 and 10. Okay, so this is the only thing we use, and even this indicator is just for us for picture purposes, to see it clearly. Otherwise we can draw this by hand. All we are looking for is the highest price of that 1 hour and the lowest price of that 1 hour. You can see this candle is the lowest candle here. That's where the box stopped there, and that is the highest candle for that 1 hour period. So you draw a line at the highest price of the 1 hour period and draw a line at the lowest price of the 1 hour period. So instead of troubling yourself drawing or looking for that 1 hour period, you can just put this indicator in there and it will search it for you. It will draw it right there. Okay, so the indicator itself, let me show you all the property it has. That's all the property it has. Okay, it's not many, not like indicator where you have like 100 different settings. No, this one's got only how many? 3 settings. So the beauty of this indicator is that you can use it to set more than one session. So you can use to set Asian session if you want to trade Asian session. The first 3 are for Asia. The next 3 are for Euro session, and the last 3 are for America or US session. Okay, the rest are just showing price and things like offset and the rest. Okay, so for our purpose right now, we only want to show Europe session. So we are going to set our time to 9 to 10 o'clock, 9 to 10, and let's pick a color of purple. So for Asia, we have put the color to none, so you won't see it on the screen, on the chart. As well for America, US session, we have put the color to none, so you will not see it on the screen as well, on the chart. Okay, so the only one you are going to see on the chart is this Euro session. Okay, later in the day, we are going to try and do other sessions as well. Any questions so far? Oh, thank you so much, Terence. Thank you for turning up today. You know, I'm sure you are aware of what's going to happen very soon. We are bombarding the market with super traders. We are opening a website called yourtradementor.com, where every one of us, we're going to go in there and kill the market, right? It has never happened before, but it's going to happen. Tell me, believe me. It's going to, you're going to do it, not me. We're going to do it together. So we're going to go to yourtradementor.com later, not today, not now, when it's ready. We're going to go in there and bombard the market. In fact, the brokers, they will be scared so much that, who are this group of people? Who are this 5%? Okay, screen is fuzzy. Okay, screen is fuzzy. Can you refresh it? Can you refresh your screen? Try to refresh your screen. See if you refresh it, maybe it's going to be better. While you are doing that, I will refresh mine as well. And let's see if we're going to get it any better. If we're going to get it any better. I'll tell you if mine gets better. Good. Okay, right. Mine gets a little bit better when I refreshed it. So try to refresh your screen, okay? So now that is the session. Okay, let me tell you one more thing before I go ahead. I want to tell you also that this indicator, because I know you might want to ask me for the indicator, okay? It's going to be a good question, isn't it? It's going to be a good question to ask me, what about the indicator, right? So, the indicator is free. And I'm giving to you for free. You have to go and download it where it is, okay? Most of you already know where it is. If you know where it is, tell me if you know where it is. Oh, good. So it got better after you refresh. Oh, excellent. Mine also got a lot better when I refreshed it. Excellent. Okay, you are working from Dubai. Oh, I'm jealous. Dubai, Sunshine City. That's good. The highest, I think the highest hotel, the tallest hotel is in Dubai, isn't it? Good. Enjoy it, right? Enjoy it. Luna, good to see you, Luna. And Jason. Okay, Jason, try to refresh your screen as well. I think, yeah, traders newbie refreshed and it got better. I think I did refresh and it got better as well. So excellent. All right. Oh, so the indicator is from no, it's your brokers. It depends on your broker. Okay, so if you know your broker's time, just find what it is. Okay, so who knows where we can find the indicator? Who knows where you can download the indicator? If you know where you can download the indicator, tell me. Where did I place the indicator? Who knows? That's a challenge. Okay, I'm setting you a challenge this evening. Where did I put the indicator? If you know it, tell us. Tell us if you know where I put the indicator. All right. If you know where I put the indicator, tell us. Let me see who knows. Who knows where the indicator is? Because I know quite a number of people. You don't know. Okay, good. Okay, I will explain to you. Okay, the indicator is at, oh, great, trader newbie. Thank you so much, trader newbie. Yes, yeah, good. It is on the Telegram group. You can see that we have some great guys here and ladies who's been following us for a while. So, Telegram group, there is the link. So, if you are not yet on the Telegram group, hey, Kabdala Azan. Hello, Kabdala Azan. Hello, how are you? So, if you are not yet on the Telegram group, that is the link. Just click it. The indicator is there right now. So, you can go and download it. It's for free. Okay? And that is all we are trading on that group. We are trading that same box you are seeing. That same box. That little box is what we are trading there. All right. So that is the session box. So you can get it from the Telegram group. Okay. So now that you know the box, and if you have a questions about what time, how do you set your time depending on your broker, come to the group. I'm telling you, there are a lot of people from different countries. So you might ask questions like, oh, I am in Dubai. Okay, I live in Morocco. Okay, I am in Turkey. How do I set my box? And my broker is Pepperstone, or my broker is FXCM, or my broker is IC Market. How do I set it? Somebody must be able to help you. All right, so come on board. Hello, Tabang. Tabang, how are you doing? It's a long time. Where have you been? Bruno from Portugal. Hello, Bruno. How are you doing? You good? Yes, excellent. All right, no worries, Mika. Oh, you enjoyed the indicator. Okay. All right. We might be able to get to it today and try the indicator again, the ATR. So Mika is asking about the ATR indicator. We used that yesterday successfully. So I will probably show it to him again. Okay. Hello, Rajendran. Okay. Eric, how you doing? All right. So let's move on now. Excellent. Great stuff. Oh, you live in England. Okay. You want to join the Telegram group. Okay. It's very easy. All right, so I'm posting the link to you now. So what you can do is click that link right away and join. Because Micah has asked for the indicator, the ATR indicator is already in the Telegram group. So you can get it from there as well. Robert, oh, you are from Uganda. Uganda, Kampala, is that? Gee, right. So excellent to see all of you guys here today. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's carry on. The juice is flowing today. Okay, you are welcome. All right, so we draw the box, and after the box is drawn, all you need to be looking for now is what we call the trigger candle. Okay, a trigger candle for us is the first candle that is formed outside of this channel. You remember you have drawn this channel already, so you'll be watching and waiting for a candle to come out of the channel but not touching it. Okay, so it must be outside of the channel 100%, not 50-50. It's not a funny friend. It's not a 50-50 or funny friend. This is either all in, all out. Okay, so we're looking for a candle that is all in. In fact, we call it a committed candle. All right, so we're looking for a candle that is completely outside of the channel. All right, so let me zoom in so you can see what we are looking for. Okay, so this is our channel. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the question. Fingers on the buzzer. All right, let me go back there. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. All right, your brokers is straight away. They said the Euro session start at 7 a.m. Do I put it at 11 p.m. PST my time or 7 a.m. GMT? It's going to be, no, it depends on your broker's time. Okay, Better still, you know, all these things can be confusing, but you know what? The solution I have is that every morning at exact time, when this box form, right when the box is complete, I will post my chart. I've been doing that now for weeks now. I will post it on Telegram group, so that if you have not set your box before, you got a chance to set it once and for all. You know, you don't have to set it every day. Once you set it once, that is where it stays. It doesn't change. So for you to understand where your box must be, come to the Telegram group, look for today's chart, and just match it with your chart. In fact, you don't even have to wait till tomorrow. Today's chart is there already. So look at where the box is placed on today's chart in the Telegram group, the one I posted, because we have a lot of people post a lot of good things there. So once you see the one I posted, compare it to your own chart and try to figure out where the box must be. That answers all the question. It doesn't really matter again whether you are 9 hours ahead or 24 hours behind. Once your box is at the right place on your chart, that is what matters. So I hope that will explain and answer a lot of questions. Good. Thank you, Eric. Hey, Eric, good. So Jason, I hope that explains it, okay? In fact, if you are in front of your computer right now, anyone that is in front of their computer right now, you can actually do this now, okay? If you are in front of your computer and you have your chart open, your MT4, just look. This is today, all right? Just figure out, where is this chart? Where do you think this chart will be on, this box will be on your chart today? It's not difficult to figure out. Just look and see where do you think this will be. All right. So you can focus on your chart. Look at this line. Look at all these prices, the way they go, these candles, and figure out where this 1 hour is. Okay. If you are using IC market, it is definitely between 9 and 10. If you are using other broker, you may have to set it accordingly. Okay, I hope we are clear. This was not today. Let's go to today. Is this today? Oh yeah, this is today. Okay, this is today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, fingers on the buzzer, please. Adekunle, hello, how are you? You're welcome on board. All right, fingers on the buzzer. Which one is the trigger candle? Let's start with this one. This is candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3. Which one is it? 1, 2, or 3? Let's see who get it first. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3. If you want me to make it bigger, I could make it bigger, right? So this is number 1, this is number 2, that's number 3. Fingers on the buzzer. Oh, Robert, you beat everybody to it. Oh, good. And Graham follow behind. JC, yes, that's what I was doing. Thanks. Oh, it's 9 to 10. Oh, good stuff. So JC, can you imagine? It's the same time as mine. So it's not actually that difficult, is it? It's not really difficult. Oh my goodness. And we might have suffered a lot and thinking a lot and worry about it too much, but it's the same time as mine. All right, Eileen, good. Thank you. 3 traders, 3 Micah, 3 Abdul, 3 Felix, 3. Okay, Adekule, 3. So everybody think it's 3. You are so confident, right? I believe you. So if you tell me your answer is 1, I would definitely say, May, you are wrong, because 1 is still touching the line. In fact, 80% or even 90% of it is still in the box. Number 2 is almost out, but we don't take almost. We want to take everything must be out, completely out. Okay, so this guy is not completely out, is still touching it. But check this little guy here, this little candle here. Check it out. This one is completely out. Okay. Oh, Jesse, it was driving you nuts, but now you got it out. You got it out of your system, right? You spit it out. Good, 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 good. So now we know this is our trigger candle. So at the close of that candle, that is when we start to trade. And you know the direction of our trade, we are bearish. The direction is going to be a sell trade. Okay, sell trade from the close of that candle here. So we are going to make the candle a bit lighter, so it's different from the other candle, the line different from other lines. Okay, so here we enter a short position. Okay, now when you got into a short position at the close of this candle, what do you do next? What you do next is you set your stop loss is there above this line. You can put it on this line or just add 1 or 2 pips for safety on top of that. And what is your take profit target? Is the size of this box here, the channel size. The size of the channel is your take profit target. So let's do the honor of measuring what it is. Okay, let's round it up to 15 pips. So we round it up to 15 pips, though it's 14 point something. So now that is our TP1. Okay, we have something we call TP1. That is the first take profit target. The first target you must hit. So when you go and trade, you want to make sure you take a quick win first. So that's why we said the TP1, which is the size of the box. But that's not all of it. You set your TP2, which is 2 times the box size. You set your TP3, which is 3 times the size of the box, and so on and so on and so on. You might set up to 5, 8, 10. It depends on where the market gets to. If you get to your TP3, good. You close 3 trades, you are out. The other 2, if you set 3 and you close 3, that's fine. If you set 5, however, you only get 3. The remaining 2, you have moved your stop loss to a reasonable level. So you are going to come out profitable in all of them, even though you haven't reached your TP5 yet. Okay. So we now say it is 15 pips. So let's look for how much we got from here. Okay. So from this trade here, we're looking for 15 pips. But how many do we get? We get 40. This is 50 pips. All right, 50 pips. So TP1 is 15 pips, TP2 is 30 pips, TP3 is 45 pips. So as you can see, today on this USD Swiss francs, we realize TP1, TP2, TP3. Great, great stuff. Okay, what are we saying here? Sir, should we follow the trend before you place the trade, or just place it as soon as you see the candle not touching? Yes, that is it. No complications at all. It's as simple as that. Once you see the candle not touching, or you call it a trigger candle, whatever we want to call it, place your trade. That's it. Place your trade, but make sure you place your stop loss and you place your take profit target at least TP1. Okay. However, if you start using the strategy and then you find some way to make it yours, what I mean is you find another tuning to it, all is well. You know, why not? If you decided that your style is to wait for a breakout or a retest, you know, I made example yesterday. Someone's style is use the box, but when the box comes out, the person wouldn't go for this trade. He said he will wait for a retest. He will wait for any time the price retest this line and then go down again. That's when he will buy. He will sell it, which is good. So if that works for the person, that's fantastic. So you can twist it the way you like, but obviously it is the same strategy, just with a twist. All right. Deepak, what did he say? It is 5 minutes. No. It is not 2 candles out. No, not at all. Not at all, Deepak. we're using 5 minutes, but it is not 2 candles out. It's a special candle. It could be 2 candles, it could be 5, it could be 10 candles before you get that that candle we are looking for. The candle we are looking for, let me expand it one more time, okay? This candle is formed outside of the channel. You see, this is the channel. So this candle is formed outside of the channel, but it's not touching the line. It's not touching the line. That's why it's correct. So number 1, this one is touching the line, so it's wrong. This number 2 is also touching the line, it's wrong. Number 3 is not touching the line. Sometimes it could be 5 candles before you get that breakout candle, before you get the trigger candle. It could be the first one. No, it won't be the first one, because the first one will be touched. It could be the second one, it could be the third one, it could be the 5th one. You may not even get it the whole day. Great stuff. All right, so here we had our TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, so that was the strategy for today. Okay, let's see more questions. All right, I think I've answered your question, Deepak. If you have more questions, let me know. Where is the indicator? Okay, indicator is there on the Telegram group. Okay, the Telegram group is here. That is the Telegram group, and the indicator is there. Okay, so the indicator is there. You can just go there and download it. Download the indicator on the Telegram group. So you can click that link and download it. All right, so we got our TP1, TP2, and TP3. All right, so someone asked me how to make the box or the indicator. It's you got to download it. Okay, the indicator is on the Telegram group. Click the link, join the group, and download the indicator. It's free. All right, someone said we should try the ATR indicator. So let me quickly insert the ATR indicator. Okay. All right. You see, I told you yesterday that sometimes the ATR indicator is always good for a good trend. Okay. When you see a very good trend, then it could help you to trail your position. So what you are using it to do is to trail your position to the best as possible, to maximize your profit, gain as much as you can from the market. So that's what you are using this to do. So I don't change anything there. It's the default values, which is ATR period is 14, and this is a multiplying factor of 3. Okay, so there we go. So that is the ATR. So assuming that you went into trade here, okay, you went into a trade here, ATR will take you out here. This ATR will take you out here. So it's not really ideal in a situation where you don't have a good trend. Okay. However, compare it to yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Yes, this was yesterday trade, right? This was the yesterday box, and look at what the ATR was able to do yesterday, because we have a better trend yesterday. All right. So when you have a great trend like this indicator will work. But what will work all the time is your TP1, TP2, TP3 will work every time. Okay, so you might just use this as a backup. Okay, this itself is not a strategy. This itself is nothing but a trailing stop. Okay, it's just like placing your stop loss and moving it according to this ATR. That's all. So even before then, let's see what is happening. All right, before then you got the box here, and when you exit the box, you see it was able to trail it for you here. So sometimes it works perfectly when you have a good trend, like yesterday, great trend yesterday. Today, a little bit of trend to start, but it didn't give us a solid one directional movement. Okay, so today you might be better off using your TP1, TP2, and TP3, because you see TP1, 2, 3 was able to get you up to this bottom line here, from here up to 45 pips. Great stuff. Excellent. Okay, any question? Any question? Oh, Timmy want to see Dutch Mark 30. Okay, Dutch Mark 30. What's going on with Dutch Mark 30? So early in the day, huh? Oh, okay. You know what? Before I go to Dutch Mark 30, pardon me, Timmy, I just quickly want to show the new people, people that are coming for the first time, to slow down a little bit and show them another currency pair. Maybe USD Japanese yen, or let me show them euro dollar, maybe euro dollar. I want to show them something that is clear. Okay. All right. So let me look for G. Let me see you are looking for DE30. Okay. Let's see D30. Maybe that will work. Is this today? Okay. This is today. Okay. Okay. I want to show something different. Let's see. US 100. Is this today? It's today. What of France? Okay. All right. Let me use this to just explain. Then we go back. All right. So if you are joining us for the first time, let me explain now so that you are clear once and for all. Okay. So you draw your box. After you draw your box, now you are looking for a candle that comes completely out of the box. Once the box is drawn, so now you are looking for a candle that come out of the box. It's not candle number 1, it's not candle number 2, it's not candle number 3. It could be any number, but that candle must be detached, must be completely outside. So if you look at this candle, for example, most of it is inside, so it's not the candle we are looking for. Check the next candle out. The same thing, is not the candle we are looking for. Check the next candle is touching the line. All these 3 candles are touching the line, but check out the next candle. It is free, completely free, so it's not touching the line. That's why we call it our trigger candle. So DPAC, that's your candle, the candle that is out of the channel and it's not touching the line. That's the condition. It's not number 1 or number 2 or number 3. It's just a candle that is completely outside and it's not touching it. So if it's number 5, that's good. If it's number 1, if it's number 4, number 10, it doesn't matter which number it is. But is it out of the box? Is it out of the channel? Yes. Okay, good. Is it touching the line? No. Good. Is it the first one you find? Yes. Good. That's it. All right. Any question? How do you do multiple take profit? Excellent. Good question. Okay. Right. Let's use this as example. I think I demonstrated that yesterday. Okay. So now you take your trade. Okay. Let's do this properly now. Okay. Let's say this is your trigger candle, as we said. So you're going to put your sell trade at the close of that candle, right? So you put your sell trade at the close of this candle. That's where you sell from. Okay. So your stop loss is the above line here, and your take profit target is the size of this box. So let's measure the size of this box. This is 318, right? 320. Okay, let's just say 332. Let's call it 32 to make life easy for us. Instead of 320, let's say 32. Okay, so we have 32 pips here. That's your take profit target. Okay, so this is your entry line. Okay, so let's set our first take profit target, 32 pips. Let's say this is 32 pips. Let's set our second take profit target, another 32 pips. Let's set the third one, another 32 pips. Okay, so that means when you actually go into this trade, you may want to go with 3 different positions at the same time. So I'm not saying you should triple your position because you want to do 3 trades. I'm saying you should divide your position into 3 places. So if you want to go for, say, one standard lot, instead of going one standard lot with 1 position, you might divide into 3 positions. So 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. That's close to one lot. Or if you want to go for TP5, 5 take profit targets. So you do 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 5 times. So that gives you 5 take profit target. Okay, so this is how it will work. So you place 3 trades here at this line. So this is your 3 trades are here. Sell trade. Trade number 1, the TP is TP1. Trade number 2, you set your TP to TP2. Trade number 3, you set your TP to TP3. All of them, stop loss is here. Okay, all the stop loss is here, above here. All right, so what happens is, this is your trade, and trade number 1 hit your take profit target, hence it's gone. Okay, so when that happens, how many positions you have left? You have 2 positions. All right, remember your stop loss was right here. Let's say your stop loss was right there, so you got to move your stop loss. You got to move your stop loss to where your initial position was. All right, where your take profit 1 was taken. So all these 2 trades now, their stop loss is here. So already, if the price come back against you, you are guaranteed TP1 for the remaining 2. You are guaranteed that TP1 for the remaining 2. So assuming as times goes on, market goes in your favor again, TP2 is out, your second trade reach is take profit target. What do you do again? You move your stop loss. You move your stop loss to TP2 line. So your TP3 is guaranteed. Your third position is guaranteed at least TP2 profit. So whatever that happened, you will go home with TP2 profit. But today, actually, it also hit TP3. So all your trades, first, second, and third trade, they're all gone. So you hit your TP3. That's how you can do it if you want to do a multiple position chasing TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sometimes, like, you can get up to TP. We've seen sometimes we get up to TP10. That's why we said, if you use the ATR in such a position when you have a big long trend, ATR will be much better, because you cannot predict how many TP you can get up front. But ATR will just keep you in the trade as long as possible. Any question? Okay, what pair? This one is F40. It's a indices. It's F40, which is France. Okay, it's France. We use it for not just only currency. We use it for indices as well. We've used it for gold, silver, and a host of other instruments. Okay, so tell me you are new. Okay, the strategy is called Simple Breakout Strategy. Simple Breakout. So because this box, we are looking for something that break out of this channel, of this box. So once something break out of it, that is a trigger for us to go into trade. Okay, Dave, this pair is the F40, France 40. So let's go to our familiar territory. Let's look for a pair that we are all used to. All right, Euro dollar. Everybody knows about Euro dollar, don't we? This is Euro dollar. Euro dollar. All right, this is Euro dollar today. Okay, now let's look at this. Now you have to watch this carefully, ladies and gentlemen, whether you are new or you have been here before. So if you look at Euro dollar here, what do you see? You see the box. Okay, first of all, we don't like when the box is too big. Let me go back there. Okay, we don't like when the box is too big. So let's measure the box. So far it's below 50. It's good for us. The box is not big. It's only 25, 26. Okay, that's fine. It just look big. All right. So now we are looking for the first candle that is formed outside of the box and it's not touching. Okay. Can we see such candle here? Can we see such candle here that is outside of the box and it's not touching the box? Okay, sorry. Outside of the box and it's not touching the box. Okay, who can tell me? This is candle number 1. Fingers on the buzzer. This is candle number 1. Candle number 2. Candle number 3. Candle number 4. Candle number 5. Which one is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is your trigger candle? Anybody? Answer please. Who's going to get there first? Who is going to get in there first? Who is getting in there first? Okay, number 3 you said. Number 3, yes. Felix 3. Ronki, hello Ronki. You are hiding. I see you. Ronki is going to become what? Veteran. Okay, tell me 3. Trader. Okay, trader, well done. You're getting it now, yeah? Aileen, number 3. Lebohang, 3. Felix, 3. Temi, 3. Daddy Lumpips, 3. Emmanuel, 3. Nomia, 3. Trader, Abdul, 3. Temi, 3. Adekule, more. More what? None. No. Oh, okay, all right. Okay, oh no, we don't want to get into that today. All right. Oh yeah, I want you to tell me what's 3 in your language, but let's keep that for another day, right? Let's keep that for another day. What is 3 in your language? I don't want English. I want something else. Okay, if you want to tell me, you can go ahead and tell me. I won't stop teaching, okay? What is 3 in your language? Okay, let's see. Okay, so now if you tell me your answer is 1, you are completely wrong. All right. If you say your answer is 2, you are completely wrong. If you say your answer is 3, that's correct, because 3 is the first candle that comes out of the box. Okay. All right. So we enter our long position from there. So at the close of that 3rd candle, let me make it, put it back. Yes. At the close of this 3rd candle here, yeah. At the close of the 3rd candle here, we go long. Okay. Yeah, my head. I've went long in the wrong time. I got to buy at the wrong position. Look. The price is going against me. Is that not what we say? It's not the end of the world. Even if you hit your stop loss, not the end of the world. Okay, so now you got into a position here. All right. Where is your stop loss? Stop loss is right down here. Add 1 or 2 pips just to be safe. Okay, so now you go into trade here. You didn't even have opportunity to make any much pips. It just reversed against you almost immediately. And it was heading straight to your stop loss. It was heading straight to the line. But when it gets close to the line, it stops. Say, hold on, hold your brake. We're not going there. We're not going there yet. So it stopped there and it reverses into your favor. Okay? So how much is our take profit target? As we said, our take profit target, I believe we said 26 or something like that. Yes, 26. Okay. So our take profit target is 26. So from the entry point, you went here, you are safe. Your stop loss is safe and secure. It's not touched. But now you need 26 points from here to here. But as you can see, it doesn't look like you're going to get 26 points. Okay. So my philosophy, which everybody on this channel knows already, is if I'm in a trade like this and I have made at least 10 pips and suddenly the price started to reverse on me, what do? I will go break even. So if I make 10 pips and the price starts to reverse on me, instead of going negative, I will go break even and close my trade when the price come back to where I entered. Okay. So that will save you a lot of headaches. So how many pips did we get from here? From where we enter at the point here to the top. To the top there, we got 15 pips. Okay, that's 15 pips. So if you are 15 pips in profit, and the price, in fact, it even go above 15 pips, maybe 16 pips there, and the price started going from plus 15 to plus 10 to plus 5 and to 0. And my question is, will you just watch that price to go and go and go and go and hit your stop loss? Or you will take whatever you can take if possible, but if you can't take anything, come out break even from here. Okay, so if you come out break even from here, you wait for another opportunity. Okay, all right, so that trade, I call it break even trade. Okay, break even trade. Also, you can still see another trade here. Okay, let me make it bigger so you can see. All right, okay, so you can see another. Okay, so we broke even there. We got another trade here again. Okay, this time around we didn't have opportunity to close because I don't believe we have up to 10. Don't believe we have up to 10 pips from there. We only got 5 pips, so we can't close that trade. So that trade came down and up and up, and eventually it hit our stop loss. Fine, we hit one stop loss. Is that the end of the world? Is there a trader who doesn't hit a stop loss? Is there a strategy that doesn't hit a stop loss? None. Zero. Nada. Zero. Nil. Oh, you want to see SBS settings? Okay. All right. Adekule. So 3 is meta. Okay. Yes. Isaac, 3 is 3. You're not translating. Oh, I'm gonna use Google Translator. What is 3 in French? What is 3 in Portuguese? All right, so this particular one, you will take your stop loss there. However, you got another chance here to go long again here, and let's see how many pips you make from there. From here you make 26 pips. You can see you got up to 26 pips. So here you hit your at least TP1. Okay, you hit your TP1 here, off you go. And if you're brave, you might even want to take this trade again, because this is another re-entry. But I used to say, before you take a re-entry, let the candle come inside the box, at least one candle completely inside the box, and come out again. That is a re-entry signal. Excellent. Any question? SBS settings. Okay, what is our SBS settings? Where is it? Okay, this is the SBS settings. Let's make it smaller. Okay, so the SBS setting is this. My oh my, my oh my. So SBS setting for euro, we are using it for euro session is 9 to 10. So you put the color, purple color or yellow or green, whatever color you like, put it to denote your session. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we want to add one more session. We want to add the Asian session. All right, which pair can one best trade with this strategy? Top 3 recommendations. Well, first one is GBP USD, Euro USD, and USD Swiss francs. Those 3. Okay, try it with those 3 first. But most importantly, you can hear from over 700 traders trading this strategy. This same strategy, one strategy, 700 traders. Although it might vary a little bit with 1 or 2 modification individual has done, but they are all trading SBS. Okay, so if you want to know more about how to trade this SBS successfully, you better ask those people who are doing so right now. All right, so let's turn on the Asian session now. We turn on the Asian session. Let's put brown, saddle brown. Okay, so Asian session, we put it at 2 to 3, 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. Okay, that's what we call Asian session. Okay, so suddenly you will see another box. Before you only been seeing the purple box. Now you are going to see another box. If I scroll back, you will definitely see another box. This box is the Asian session. Okay, so for trading Asian session, majority of traders, they will look into Asian market. What kind of instruments do happen in Asian market? Things like Aussie, Hong Kong, Japanese yen, which other one in Asian market? China. And you might look into gold as well. We haven't even looked at gold for a while. Let's look at gold. Where is gold? Okay, SAUUSD. Okay, this is gold. Okay, is this today? Let's go to today. Okay, this is today. Okay. All right, so this is gold today in Asia. So let's say you want to trade gold today in Asia. You put your box, you put your line on the box. The box is drawn for you anyway by the indicator, but you can do it yourself. Okay, so now you see you have a trade here, a buy trade. That trade meandering a little bit, but eventually it will hit your TP1, TP2, and possibly TP3 if you carry on with your trade. And also you got into Europe session with this same strategy. So if you go on Europe session here, no, there's no trade here. No trade here. Your first trade is right here. You went long here, and then you probably make your TP1. That's it. Oh, no more trade. Okay. You might get into a trade here which will hit your stop loss there. However, another chance to get into another buy trade which will give you your TP1, TP2. You can see this box size is the TP1, and the from here down up here is more than twice the size of this box. So you are likely going to get TP1, TP2, maybe maximum. All right. So if you here you've made one TP or two TPs here, and you made one stop loss here and two TPs there. If you add 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1, 3. And you are not even counting what you have gained in the Asian session. So it's a very profitable system if you follow it by the letter. Oh, India markets. Deepak want to see India. Is it there? I wish it's there. Let's check. I wish it's there. India market. Is it there? You know, this broker, I don't think it has it. It has China. That's China, but it doesn't have. So if you have a broker that has the Indian stock market, yes, you can apply the same strategy to it. Excellent. Okay, any question? No, this strategy is only used on 5 minutes because that is where you locate your breakout candle. That's all you need the 5 minutes to do. Once you locate your breakout candle, you can change to any time frame you like. You can put it back in 1 hour or even day, because once you get the breakout candle, you know the size of the box in 5 minutes. Okay, so you know the size of the box. It doesn't really matter where time frame you are putting your chart on again, because you set your TP1, TP2, TP3, and you put your stop loss. If you change your chart to daily chart, your take profit will not change. If you change it to 1 minute, your take profit or stop loss will not change. It will remain the same. Okay, excellent. Okay, please, which indicator is that? The indicator is called sessions indicator session. And to download the indicator, you go and join this Telegram group now. and then you get your indicator there for free. When you get to the Telegram group, just go to the file section and you will see the indicator called sessions. Okay, session is free. Just download it there. Okay, but you got to go to the Telegram group and get it. Okay, USD South Africa. Let's try USD South Africa. Yeah, this is USD South Africa today. Looks to me like a good trade. Yes, it's a good trade. Okay. Looks like we escaped. All right. So here we got into a sell. Here we escaped a buy. We got to a sell here. And then we got another sell here. Okay. So we can make the profit here. This one, we escape your stop loss if you add 1 or 2. That's why I said, maybe add 1 or 2 pips at the top. Okay. Which other one do you want to see? Anyone want to see something else? Anybody want to see something else? What is a DPAC and F and O? What is that? Oh yes, so I said earlier that the box, when it's too big, it's not good. Okay, I hope I can find you an example of what I'm talking about. Let me, okay, I think GBP USD, there was a time. Okay, watch what the size of the box is here. Okay, this is today's box. All right, that's Euro box. Let's just focus on the Euro box for now. Okay, that's Euro box. Look at the size today again. Yesterday, it's not bad. Almost similar size, average. Almost average, same, almost similar size. We are looking for abnormal here. We are looking for something abnormal, something that, oh, will fly in your face. Say, no, this is wrong. This is almost normal, right? Nothing abnormal about it. That to me look a bit different. If you look at that compared to this, it's almost like twice. Okay, let's measure it. I use something like 50 pips. If it's too more than 50 pips, oh man, it's too big. All right, this is okay. 20 something pips, 30 pips, that's okay. Oh no, this is not Europe. Okay, so right now, can somebody tell me whether this is normal or abnormal compared to what we have been seeing so far? Yeah, is this normal to you, even without measuring how many pips, without seeing how many pips it is? Does it look normal? Tell me, we have done German 30. 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 And up to US oil. Okay. We're going to do US oil very soon. I'll look for US oil. Okay. So you can see from here, it doesn't look normal to me. It looks big than other ones we have been seeing. So intuitively, even without measuring the number of pips, it shows me that something is wrong here, man. No, this is wrong. This is just too big. I have over 28 currency pairs I can trade. So why should I focus on something that I'm concerned about? If I have a little concern or a little doubt, I'll just move on to the next. I just move on to the next pair and analyze the next pair. Okay, for argument's sake, let's measure it. Let's just measure it. Maybe it's not big, but right, look at that. How many pips is that? That's 59 pips, nearly 60. So here is 60 pips there. So we are looking at 59 pips. That is just too much. So that Jason, yes, Jason, that's what I call too big, right? So too big. Compare it to the next. Let's look at the next. Let's make it smaller so you can see comparison. Okay, this is the one we're looking. Look at this box compared to the day before it. Look at the day before it and look at today. How many? That's almost more than twice. Almost twice or bigger than twice of this box. So immediately you see that, something is not right here, something is not right, then you run away from it. You can see the normal size. You don't get the abnormal size often, but once in a while you do get them. So when you get them, you just be aware. See, this is normal, that's also normal, normal size, abnormal size. How do I know? Am I a wizard or something? Oh, there are more wizards here than me. All right, so that's also not normal. As you can see, look at that size. Look at the size. It's almost twice. If you break it into half, you see that's what you are looking at. So it's easy to recognize them when you see them. So immediately the box is formed, you make your call. You make the judgment call and say, does this size look all right to me? It doesn't? Oh, I move on. Let me move on, man. Another 28 PS already for me to analyze. Why will I waste my time with you? All right, so that's it for the size of the box. Any question? Okay, you want to see the box settings for the SBS? All right, I'll show it. Okay, so the session box is here and the settings are there. Okay, so at the moment we have two settings operating on the chart. We have the Asian settings operating on the chart. That's the color there. You can see that color. That is the Asian box. And also we have the Europe operating on the chart. That's the purple box. For now, we have not turned on the US settings. And if you want us to do that, we could turn on the US settings or US color. And I'll make it dark blue. Okay. All right. I'll make it Gamond. What's that? Goldmond or something. Okay. Whether it's gonna be good, who knows? Or do they look too close? No, it's all right. It's all right. So now I've opened up the American session. So when you want to open up a session, you just make the color something other than none. If the color is none, it wouldn't show. But if you change the color to something else, it will show. And the time, you need to change it according to your broker. Okay. All right. So now we have 3 sessions operating. Okay. So let's look at how these sessions. Oh, again, too big. Again, too big. Too big. All right, like this one, normal size. So let's say you are operating 3 sessions on this particular GBP USD. The Asian session come through, you make your TP1, TP2, you rest. Okay. Europe session comes through, you follow, you make your TP1, probably you rest. US session come over, then you make your TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, probably. And you just milk it all the way. You know, it doesn't happen like that every day, but when it does, make sure you are there to capitalize. All right, here is another one. Okay, another day. Asian come through, you milk it, you got your TP1, TP2, maybe TP3. Europe come along, okay, you make your maybe break-even trade because it doesn't go anywhere that much. Break-even trade. US come along, you make your TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Okay. Next day. Okay, this is the next day. Asian come along, you make your TP1, TP2, maybe. Europe, this will be kind of either TP1 on the top, that is buy, TP1 or break even, and US session, I would say break even. Okay, so that's how you apply this indicator. All right, that you can test drive it yourself. When you get the indicator, plug all the times, all the session on it, see how it perform on each different pair. All right, let me throw in USD Swiss franc or USD Japanese yen. Throw in USD Japanese yen. See how it perform. You look at it here. It's good here for that USD Japanese yen. Here also, it's fantastic on that day. So you go on and check. Okay, so check, and at the end of the day, you might find some pairs better than the others. I have recommended some pairs to you already, but you know, if you look at it, you might find more suitable to you than the others. Okay, so you can look through. I'm just pacing through so you can see what is going on. You see where the boxes are, that they are good places to make trades. You can see them. I'm just paging up. You can see they form great places. You can make your trades. Great places. Okay, that must be a news, a big maybe interest rate announcement or some good news for this currency, for USD, Japanese yen. Okay, excellent. Any more question? India session is 9 o'clock. Great stuff. Okay, you check the open is 6 a.m. GMT. That's fine. The best way, as explained before, the best method to set your box correctly is in the Telegram group. So in the Telegram group, I will post a chart early in the morning when the box form, fresh from the head office. When the box is firmed, I will post my chart immediately, even before any trigger candles come out. So you see the box and instantly set your own as well. And once you set it the first day, you don't have to set it again. You got it. Just like I think someone's done it today. I think it's Jason, and he got it. So that's it. Jason got it. You can get it as well. That is our slogan. Jason got it. You can get it. All right. So does it mean you need to set up the box before the market opens? No. You just put the time in the indicator. The indicator will draw the box for you. So put the time in the indicator and it will automatically draw it for you. Maybe when you come to the Telegram group, here is the link to the Telegram group. Join that Telegram group. When you get there, download the indicator first and then put your time. Yeah, I've shown you the time already. Put your time in the indicator and they ask different questions in the group. People will answer you. Great stuff, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to see you again. Okay, any more question? No more question? Yeah, are we all done? I think I showed you yesterday what is happening very soon. We're going into our own training portal very soon. Everybody is welcome to come into the portal. So there are loads of resources in the portal for you to make use of. We have resources for intermediate, we have resources for beginner, we have resources for advanced. Okay, so the portal is going to be, it's a website where you will log in and then you have your own area. In fact, if you have a one-to-one mentorship with me, your videos, our discussion, everything will be recorded and it will be saved on your portal. Anytime you log in there, you can replay it over and over and over again, anytime. Okay, so which is the best session to trade? We used to try on GBP USD. It's our flagship pair. GBP USD is our flagship pair. Okay, so the setting, yes, you put the time before the markets open. So you just put your time in indicator and leave it on the chart. So when it is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., you will see the box will be formed. But before then, you wouldn't see the box until the time is complete. When the time is complete, the box is complete. The box starts when your time starts and complete after the hour is finished. Can you do it when the market is already open? Yes, of course. Yes. You can do it anytime. You can see. Okay, let me just show you. Finally, All right, let's say now I don't have a box, right? I don't have anything. This chart is nothing there. This is just a normal chart, right? So this is a normal chart. There's nothing on this chart. You can see the chart is free. It's a free chart. No box, no indicator, nothing on the chart. It's absolutely free. So what do we want to do? We want to add our indicator. So you go to Insert. You go to Insert on your chart. I believe if you have added the indicator to your platform, Custom, and you go to Sessions. Where is it? Sessions. It's called Sessions. You add the sessions, okay? So now you set it the way you want, okay? Because now I don't want to trade America. I will say if I want to trade America, I'll put it there. But normally, what we set it to is Europe. We set it to 9 o'clock. Euro end at 10 o'clock. But remember, this is for IC market because they are 2 hours ahead. Okay, I like purple, the purple color. I normally leave it there. For US, I don't want to set any, I don't want to see the session yet. So I say none. Okay, so no color for US, no color for Asia. I only want to see the Europe session. Okay, if I want to see the American session, I need to set the time correctly. As you can see, these are just the default time that were there. So I need to set it correctly. And at the same time, if I want to see Asian, I need to set it correctly and put the color. So far I don't put any color, nothing will show. Okay, so that's it. So now either market is open or market is closed or market is alive or not, this indicator will work even on Saturday or Monday, anytime. The good thing about it is it will draw all the box in the past as well. It's not just the box coming tomorrow. It will tell you where the box is yesterday, today, 2 days ago, a year ago, or depending on how many days you want to see. So if you don't want your platform to be slowed down, just put minimum day like 99. But if you want to see everything, if you put let's say 10,000 days there, then you will see the box for the past 10,000 days. How many years is that? maybe your chart is not even up to that long. Okay, so now purple, here we go. Europe, yeah, that's it. There you go. So now you have Europe box drawn everywhere. You can see. Which pair is this? This pair is so good. You can see this pair is so good. See here, if you use the ATR method here, it will work like magic. Let's just test it. Insert. So that I don't confuse you, the ATR is only for trailing your stop, right? It's not part of the strategy. You can trade this without any indicator. All right, all you need to do is put your stop loss, the take profit target, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in such a day where you see a good looking trend and you have access to insert an indicator called the ATR stop indicator using the default settings, then you see you can milk that thing long before it takes you out here. Okay, so initially, your breakout is somewhere around here. So you break out here and then your stop loss is right above there, so your stop loss is still far away. So any question? Time for settings. Okay, it will depend on your broker. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. GMT, but check what your broker time is. Yes, so once you finish one session, just change your time to other market. So for example, we use 7 to 8 for Europe, 2 to 3 a.m. for Asian session, 1 to 2 p.m. for US session. So you can practice all the 3 sessions if you like. There's no right or wrong time. You can do it anytime. As you can see, we just did it now. You can do it right away. Even as we speak, if you go to the download area in the Telegram group, download the indicator, and immediately tonight set it up. You will see it there. Okay, here is a link to do that. Click that link, join that group, download the indicator, put it on your chart, change all your time settings. Bang, there you go. Excellent. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you had a good time today. We are lots of people on the channel today. We were over 50. I mean, we were probably close to 60 or something. So that's fantastic. It means that you guys, you keep me going and you encourages me to move on, to carry on and teaching. Okay. And as I said to you, super session box. Super session box. As I said to you before, I said we are going to hit the forex market with a storm. Okay, we are going to show them that it is possible to make money in forex market. Okay, a lot of people have been scammed with a lot of things, but now we are coming with this, our platform. This is called the yourtradementor.com platform. Okay, it's tradementor.com. That's me there. If you've been following me over YouTube channel, you can see my face. But not only that, you will see my face here when you come to this Your Trade Mentor website and register. But not now. Don't register now. Don't register now. What you can see is you will speak to me one-on-one. I will set up a session with you if you want to, and then we will chat. You know, I will give you different opportunity to do that for silver package, gold package, and diamond package. So for silver package, you will come into the website and enjoy all the facility that is there. There's loads of educating material, different strategies, profitable strategy, powerful 3 profitable strategy that you will learn instantly, and you begin to trade almost immediately if you have not traded before. If you have traded before, that's fantastic. So this might be your own thing that you want. Okay, this gold package is for somebody who actually wants you a bit of mentorship, but not too much, just a little touch of mentorship, like one day, you know. So no, I know what I'm doing. I just need a guide. I need somebody to guide me. You know, I've seen people like that. They just need 1 or 2 motivational things, you know, and show them exactly what they need to change, or what they were doing right, they need to do even better. So it might just be you for that. It's going to be one day. And the diamond package is for somebody who wants to look at the entire way of their trading life. So that person will require like 3 days of one-to-one mentorship with me. You know, I've been saying this many years now, that when I'm going to do this, it's not going to be in secret. A lot of people have come, my name is Make More 8. I do this, I do this. Now they are fake people. So now I'm now opening it up to everybody that has been following me for many years. On our YouTube channel, I'm sure you know that on our YouTube channel, let me just quickly show you, we are nearly 40,000 now on the YouTube channel. Okay, we are nearly 40,000. That's me there. Let me just quickly show you. We're nearly 40. This is you here. This is this is your live video now. All right. All right. So see, we are nearly, this is 39.3K. So we are nearly 40,000. And by the time we open this up, I want to make sure that you are at the forefront. You don't miss out. So I'm just announcing to you. So if I quickly log into the portal, so if you register, you will log in. So this guy now is logging as a gold member. Okay, this is the gold member who will have 1 day one-on-one mentorship with me. So he's got in there. He got opportunity to book a session with me. So when you log in, you see all the sessions available that I've made available. because now it's not live. I mean, people should not register yet. That's why I have not make any session available. So I open up my calendar. You see every day that I'm available. You book automatically. You book the time you want. I'll receive it and I'll then confirm with you. You get email saying your booking has been confirmed. This is the time for your one-to-one lesson. And then you got all these things to work on. So you got your videos, you got all your resources there, and you got your training video. This training video is specifically to you. So anytime that you had a mentorship with me and we had a Zoom session, or we had any recorded meetings between us, it will be stored under your training video. It means only you can see that. But all the available resources, we have available resources for beginners, for intermediate, for advanced. The same thing with videos. And we do affiliate program. So whereby if you invite somebody, your friends, you get paid for that. Okay? But never mind, when we are ready, I got something for you that will blow up your mind. So I'm just letting you know the standard, okay? But you guys have been following me for many years. I will treat you specially because I want you to be part of this great story. So be on the lookout. Very, very soon, it's coming your way. It's coming to your door. Okay, excellent. So if you let's come back to the real world here, okay? We come back to the market here. So you see the ATR here is good for this market today. So you can employ it and you can use it. So any questions, anybody? Any questions, anybody, before we zoom today? All right, the forex market can be broken up into 4 major trading sessions. The Sydney session, yes. The Tokyo session, yes. The London session and the New York session. And Asian session are all included. Yes, so the Asian session actually take care of Tokyo and Sydney together. Okay, so we match them together and we call them Asian session. Okay, that's a very good point. Hello, good evening. I mean, maybe for the first time I might say, oh yeah, today. Okay, no, you haven't missed much. You haven't missed much. You haven't missed much. Though we started about an hour ago. So, hello, Mr. Busho. Good to see you. All right, I think we are super excited today. I am super excited. Can we use it for stock commodity trading? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Which of the commodity trading you want to check out for the last one before we go? Do you have any commodity in mind? Do you have anyone? Is it gold you are looking for, or you are looking for soya bean, whatever? Let me give you the list. These are the lists here. So you pick anyone you want. And I will go there. Yusuf, you haven't missed much. Okay, which one do you want? Deepak, okay? Tell me which one. Silver, good. Silver is what? AXAG, right? Silver is SAGUSD, right? Or is it SAGUSD? That's silver, right? This is silver. SAGUSD. All right, this is silver. Okay. All right, let's see. You can see it's also very great for silver. For example, here we are looking at Europe now. Okay, if you like, let's throw in the Asia market as well, because commodity is for everybody. It's not for Europe only. It's for everybody. So let's put in the Asia market 2 to 3. Okay. All right, so that is the Asia market. Yeah, so we throw in Asia market for silver. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not joined the Telegram group, here is your chance to join the group, because all the indicators showed here on this session, they are all there. I will probably not email it to anybody anymore. but it's there on the group. It's free. Join for free. Download it, and off you go. Okay, so it's AX AUX SUD. Okay, AUX. Is there any AUX? AUX. All right, I believe it's called. I believe it's the one that we're looking at. XAGUSD, right? Is that correct? Anybody know what silver is called? Because Simon is suggesting it's AUXUSD. Let's just Google for it. But I believe I have the right one. Okay. Silver. Silver. For a symbol for forex. Yeah, it is correct. I believe. I just want to make sure that I satisfy what it wants, because if I just pick whatever I like, you can see it's SAGUSD. So if I pick whatever I like, it might look like, oh, he doesn't want to show the real silver. He just wants to show what he wants to show. So that's why I go to this length. I know what it is, but now you can see it yourself in Google that is what silver is called. Okay? Thank you so much. All right, so let's go back to silver. SAGUSD. Right. So we are right. We are right. Okay. So you can see the silver is so good here. So here you can have your sell position here, TP1, TP2, before the Europe opens. And from Europe, you have TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Again, you go to Asian session. Here, you might get break even here. Europe here, you get TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, probably 6. Because you can see the box is very small. All right, so we are looking at silver now. Next day, this is Asia, TP1, TP2, probably. Europe, maybe TP1, or worst case scenario, break even. Next day, Asia, TP1, TP2, TP3, maybe 4, if you are lucky. All right, Europe, probably maybe TP1 if you are able to get this, or maybe break even, or even if you take one stop loss. What's bad in that? Don't be scared of stop loss at all. It's part of the game. Okay, now here you don't even have a chance to take a stop loss because it never go down. It just went off from there. Did you notice that some of the box where we put the box, they are turning points? They are usually turning points. Look at that. After here, you go TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Here, you sell TP1, TP2. Okay, that is today. That's today, right? This is today. In fact, if you want to make it even badder, yeah? If there's anything called badder, the baddest, you throw in the American session. Let's throw in the American session because we don't want to cheat and say America is not involved. America is part of the game. Okay, so let's chuck it. Let's chuck the American session in. Okay, we chuck American session in. What color? I don't really mind any color now. Okay, chuck American session in. Oh, you know what? I didn't change the time. That's why. So if you don't change the time, that's what you get. American session is from 1 to 2, which is 13 to 14. Okay, that's what we use for American session. I believe we can even make it better. Okay, so if you get something like that, blah, in your face, you have to check quickly, check your settings. Okay, so now you see American session here. So you kill them in Asian session, you kill them in Europe, then you kill them in America. So this box, what is used to do is to guide you. It's a guide. It's a guide. You are driving, now you have the map. You're going to Tennessee. from California, or you're going to Atlanta from Connecticut, whatever, and you have a map. You have a Google map on your phone, or you have the physical map that takes you there. So this is the map. The box is the map. And you know what? You don't need a complicated map. Can you imagine when there was no GPS? Remember how people used to look at the map? So you'll be driving with your right hand side on your right, holding the steering wheel. On the left, you are looking at this complicated map where there are thousands of names and city and tunnels and everything, and you are looking for one small street. How difficult that is. So the same thing happens when you are trading and you have loads and loads of indicators on your chart. It becomes very, very difficult to read and very difficult to make decision. Okay, but with our system, I don't know what we can say is difficult here. All you need is the box, and when price come out of the box, you trade. It's a box. When price come out of the box, you trade. It's a box. When price come out of the box, you trade. If the price doesn't come out, you stay in. You don't do anything. Price come out of the box, you trade accordingly. So that's simple, simple, simple. All right, I think I had good time today, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Simon, no problems at all. No problems at all. Good stuff. Good to see you all. It's been fantastic today. You've been all great. Okay. Some people do ask me if I have a broker. Okay. I do say yes, I do have a broker, and I do recommend them. The question is if they operate in your country. So if they do operate in your country, you can try them out. But if they don't operate in your country, then there's nothing you can do. Okay, they are great broker. I've been using them for many years. I think most of you know them by now. IC Market. I've been trading with IC Market for long. You can withdraw your money with no question asked. They have one of the best spread available. They are very competitive, and the most importantly is that they are also regulated. They are one of the biggest. Even though they are a big company, they still have a great offerings. So if you are interested in opening a demo account or a live account, okay, I will post the link here. It's not compulsory, all right? It's not compulsory, but if you are looking for a broker and you feel you want a recommendation from somebody who's been withdrawing regularly, somebody who's been withdrawing regularly, somebody who's been trading with a reputable broker, then I'll say why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not enjoy that facility? Good stuff. Okay, if you like it, I'll post it. Otherwise, we just leave it as it is. Good stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had a good day today. I do have a good time myself. Okay. So, what are we talking about? So, I'm going to round up now. And it means that very shortly we shall see again, we shall talk again. Join the Telegram group, and then we will talk again afterwards. So let me post that link to you in case you are interested, okay? Because somebody might say they are interested. Oh, for the broker. Okay. I wanted to go, but I just have to help you guys, So that's the broker. They have two types of account. Actually, you can see, I think I did show this one sometimes ago. I did show their spread. So if you want to see the spread, if you scroll up, if you want to see the spread, you say spread. Right click and say spread. Okay. This is 1043. So currently, you can see the spread is a bit 2 for Japanese yen is 2.5. For euros 2.5. But I think this time is the closing and opening of a new day. So generally, the spread are higher this time. But come to see it, maybe another 1 hour or 2 hours, or early in the morning when the market is full, this spread will be less than 1 pip. Will be 0 point something, 0.1. Sometimes it's actually 0 for most of these currency pairs. All right, thank you everybody. I had a good day, good time today, and I hope you had too. So let's go and join the Telegram group, and let's meet there and continue the discussion. Thank you so much, everyone, from South Africa, from Nigeria, from Turkey, from Germany, from Dubai, from India, from where else? From America, from Florida. Right, what else? Where else? I don't want to miss anybody out. If I haven't called you out, your country, if you want me to call it out, or I say your country, I'll call it out. Nice, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. It's been great. It's been great speaking to all of you. So I am going to sign off very soon if there's no further questions. Okay? All right, Tabang. Thank you, Tabang. Good man. Felix, thank you. Omontosho, Italia. Perugia, right. Oh, Milan. Yes, Milan. Oh, great stuff. Italian. Okay, good. Thank you, everybody. So good night, good morning, good day.